I'm Wanda, and I'm from Geneva.
My name is Rosalie Dahlman, and I am from Coppell, Texas.
I'm Susan Kennedy. I'm from Paris, Texas.
My name is Janine Zuckerman, and I'm from Winter Springs, Florida.
I had progressively gotten worse, my bone density. Everything had moved into the osteoporosis category.
I was on medication, IV infusions.
I got diagnosed with severe osteoporosis right off the bat the first time I got tested. It was already in the severe mode a few years ago. They put me on oral tablets for a few years, but my scores kept getting worse and worse.
They wanted to move me to an experimental infusion because that one wasn't working. And instead of getting better or even staying the same, I was getting worse over 10 years.
I had to take Forteo as a daily shot in the stomach every day for a year and a half.
I started on a new experimental drug that had scary health effects.
At the end of the year and a half, I had actually declined again. And at that point, the doctor wasn't sure what to do.
And one day I was just flipping through Facebook and saw an ad for OsteoStrong.
When I walked in the door, everything was consistent with what I had read about it.
I discovered true increase in my strength, which has transferred into my ability to walk faster, walk farther, engage in much more physical activity around my house, which is post-flood and requires lots of muscle work.
A little over a year later, I had my first scan after starting OsteoStrong, and things had improved immensely. Everything had moved out of the osteoporosis phase and into osteopenia.
If you're looking for a non-invasive way to stop osteoporosis, come to OsteoStrong.
I just think this is amazing, and the people here are amazing, and they know what they're doing, which makes a big difference.
OsteoStrong has totally eliminated my stability issues I was having. Even if I do stumble or trip on something, I'm able to catch myself and balance and not fall. So it's been life-changing for me. I'd highly recommend it.
OsteoStrong is not fluff. If you're a woman and you want to stay healthy, you come to OsteoStrong. It's the real deal.
My bone density is up 5% in 6 months, thanks to OsteoStrong.
I have had a 7 to 9% increase in my bone density thanks to OsteoStrong.
Thanks to OsteoStrong, I no longer have osteoporosis or osteopenia.
I no longer take Forteo thanks to OsteoStrong.
Getting older
Does not mean getting weaker.
Stay strong with OsteoStrong.